Hey Betsy, I got your message that you're having trouble with the math, so I wanted to help you out a little bit. So, when you click on Friday's Math, you're going to type your name in right here. Let's look at the first problem. So, this picture represents 1/3. So, 1/3 times 1/3 equals what? So, if you got a piece of paper and you said 1/3 times 1/3, you'd multiply the top number first. 1 times 1 equals 1. 3 times 3 equals 9. So in the answer here, you would write 1/9. Number 2. We have 2/3 times 1/3. My top number's 2. My top number's 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. And 3 times 3 is 9. So it should be 2/9. You're going to write it just like this in your box. Next, we have 3/4 times 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3/4 times 3/8. So 3 times 3 is 9. And then the bottom number, 4 times 8 is 32. So your answer should be 9/32. Finally, your last problem, we have 1/3 times 2/5. So I multiply 2 times 2, and I get 4. And I multiply 3 times 5, and I get 15. So your answer is going to be 4/15. You're going to type that answer just like that in your box. When you're done with that, you're just going to push send. Let me know if you need any more help.